Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Flare bundles these files for Adobe InDesign, and this time InDesign not installed in my laptop, so I just preview of these flares. So first you check 1.66 GB. These are 426 files and 60 folder, but 100 plus or 200 plus flares in Adobe InDesign. So here is flare pack 1, and here is flare A5 size, and here is US letter half size. Here is font link. You see here INDD file 1 MB of 1 2 3 10 flare hairs, and IDML files are 10 flares. You see here same A5 size flares. So here is 10 files. You can adjust your own image here, French collection or any title. You can write any title or any image here. Flares same are here. Flare pack 1 San Francisco, Hong Kong, and here is link replacement, and here is font. Then click on font, then you can download it free. Here is Portland A5 size. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.